Welcome all. Today we are going to perform another line clipping algorithm, that is Liang-Barsky line clipping algorithm. It have different rules I have discussed to you. Okay, you will know what is the algorithm, what are the parameters. Clear? In this lecture we will see and calculate the numerical values only. Okay, numerical values especially. Okay, as you know, in Liang-Barsky line clipping algorithm we have to find 12 values for each line. 12 values for each line means for AB we have to find 12 values, and separately we have to find 12 values for CD and 12 values for EF. And what are that for 12 values? These are, come on the board. We have to find P1, P2, P3, P4 and Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. These are the 8 values and 4 values, that is R1, R2, R3, R4. R is nothing but QK. R is QK upon PK. It means R1 will be Q1 upon P1, R2 will be Q2 upon P2, R3 will be Q3 upon P3 and R4 will be Q4 upon P4 from this formula. Okay, and what are these P values and Q values? Check. P1 is minus delta x, P2 equal to delta x, P3 equal to minus delta y and P4 equal to delta y. Clear? For Q1 is x1 minus xw minimum, Q2 is xw maximum minus x1, Q3 is y1 minus yw minimum and Q4 equal to yw maximum minus y1. We have to find these values. I am going to start with the line CD. For a line CD, we have x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, and all other values xw minimum, xw maximum, yw minimum, yw maximum. Xw minimum is 1, xw maximum 9. This minimum maximum is nothing but the coordinates of window given. Okay, these are the points. These are the points we will have. Clear? Minus 1 or 9. Yes, minus 1 or 9. Okay, let's find P1 equal to del x minus del x, then minus 3 minus 3 equal to 0, del y 0 minus del y, del x, these values are for del x. Now we will find for del y. Del y will be minus 10 minus 7 equal to minus 3. Del y equal to 3. Okay. Q1 equal to x1. x1 is 3. 3 minus xw minimum 1 equal to 2. x2 xw max 9 minus x1. x1 is 3. Then it's 6. Q3 y1 is 7 minus yw minimum 2. 5. Y max 8 minus y1 7 equal to 1. Now we will find R values. R values for R1 equal to Q1, that is 2, Q1 upon P1. P1 is 0 and it is infinite. Again R2 is Q2 upon P2. P2 is 0. Again it's infinite. R3 is 5 by minus 3. It means it's minus 5 by 3. Clear? For R4 Q4 equal to 1, this is 1, and P4 equal to 3. Then the value is 1 by 3. Now we have all the 4 values. Clear? Now we will further move in our question, that is finding the x and y. For x&y, this point we have, we will find this point. Okay, like we can say it I1. Clear? We have to find the coordinates of visible section CI1. CI already I have 3, 7. When we will calculate from these values, I will definitely get these 3, 7. Okay? Now, from here, we have to find two values, T1 and T2. T1 is for when Pk is less than 0 and T2 is for when Pk is greater than 0. Okay? We will take a set, as we know in the algorithm how we will calculate T1 and T2. We will calculate T2 for all the values. We will take a set of all the values where P values is less than 0. And for T2, all the values including 1, okay, where the P values is greater than 0. Or we can take the formula maximum of the set 0 and all other values in which Pk is less than 0. Check the P values 0, 0, minus 3 and 3. 3 is greater than 0, then we have to take only the value which is less than 0. is -3. Clear? This is the set, and from here we will get the value which is maximum. Maximum is 0. If we compare 0 and -3, then 0 is maximum. Clear? And for T2, we will take the set minimum of 1 and all other p's values where p value is greater than 0. 0, 0, it's less than, this value is greater than 0. Then we will take this value 3 and we will compare 3 and 1. Which one is minimum? Minimum is 1. Clear? Now we have the T1 value 0 and T2 1. We have T1 value and T2 value. If any condition, we will know if T1 will be maximum of T2, then line will be rejected. This condition is not here. Here T1 is less than T2. T1 is 0, less than 1. Clear? Then the line is not rejected. Line is considered. I think this section is visible. I think this section is visible to you. This section. This section. Here, for first point, for first point we will take T1. For second point we will take T2. Okay, we have a equation that is x equal to x1 plus T1 into delta x and y equal to y1 plus T1 into delta y. x1 3 and y1 is 7. x1 is from these two equations, x equal to x1 is 3 plus T1, T1 is 0, T1 is 0 and we will multiply with 0, will be 0. Then x will be 3 and y equal to y1 is 7. 7 plus T1 value is 0 into delta y is 3. 0 into 3 is 0 equal to 7. Then the first point of the visible section is 3 and 7. As in the line, this is visible 3 and 7. We will get these points equally. Clear? This point is clear or not? This is 3 and 7 and this is 3 and 7 after calculation. Clear? Now we will find second value. Just focus here. For and T2 we will take R values, not the P values, R values, and R values are here, this and this. Here we will take minus 5 by 3, and which one is maximum? 0. Then our 3's come equally. And then for T2 we will take the minimum value of 1 and R4. R4 is, look, P4 is greater than 0, then the P4 value is considered, and the for P4 we will take R4 value, and R4 is 1 by 3. Here the point is miss 1 by 3. And here we will take the value of T2 is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 square by 3, and the value is 7 plus 1 equal to 8. The second point will be 3 and 8, not 3 and 10, 3 and 8. 3 and 10 is here. That's why I'm checking that these points are not equal. Then the I1 point have the coordinates 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Clear? And the CI1 is visible. Okay? This point is clear. The CD line is clear. Okay? Now come to the next line, that is line AB. For line AB. Now we will check for the line AB. For line AB. We will check for line A and line B. For line A and for line B. Our values we will find as same. These values will be totally different. Now, come for line A and B. P1 is minus del x. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. Del x is minus x2 minus x1. These are 11 minus 11 equal to 0. Clear? This is 0. For P3 is minus delta y, minus 10 minus 6 equal to minus 4, and for P4 equal to, this will be 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Okay? Now same like the previous line, only the values are changing. The process is same. X1 is 11 minus XW minimum is 1, then is equal to 10. XW maximum is 9. 9 minus X1. X1 is 11. That this is minus 2. For Q3, Y1 is 6. We are taking X1, Y1. Y1 is 6 and YW minimum is 2 equal to 4. YW max equal to 8 minus Y1 is 6, then it is 2. Now, for this line, we are seeing some equalities, like check this value P2 and check this value Q2. P1 is 0, it means P2 equal to 0, and Q2 is minus 2. It means Q2 is less than 0 and P2 is 0, and we have a condition when Pk is equal to 0 and Qk less than 0, then the line is totally outside the window and rejected. Then we will write rejected. As we are seeing in the diagram, AB is outside the window. Then this condition is in front of us. Okay? Clear? Now we have the last line E and line F. For line E and F, x1, y1, x2, y2, you will do it by yourself. Okay? Find the values P1, P2, P3, P4, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and then R1, R2, R3, R4. Because this is not rejected. This is not rejected. It's totally inside the window. Okay? And I am telling the answers to you. The final xy, the first xy and second xy will be same. First xy will be 2, 3 and second values of xy will be 4, 8, 4. Means for when you will use T1, you will get 2, 3, and when you will use T2, you will get 8, 4. Equal. No change in the coordinates. Okay? Try it by yourself, and if you face any problem at any point, you will contact me. Okay class? Thank you, and perform this EF line by yourself surely. Okay? If you are not do by yourself, you will not get the point easily or clearly. Okay class? Thank you.